Hi everyone, winter's here, so we are needing to get our vehicles prepared for that time, freezing weather, ice, snow. So we're just going to go over a few little safety checkpoints that we'd like to do. Make sure your antifreeze level is up to par. We need to make sure it's rated down to negative 34 degrees just to prevent freezing and having any engine troubles in the winter time. Next, just make sure that your battery is up to code. If it's over 3 years old, I would recommend getting it at least checked. Cold cranking amps, if it is low on cold cranking amps, you might have trouble starting it in the morning, or even if the weather is just freezing throughout the day. All right, so we need to check our tire pressures, make sure that those are inflated correctly. If they are too deflated, then it can cause uneven wear on your tires. So, and with the cold weather, it will lower those tire pressures. So please double check those before winter comes. Next, just to make sure that your wipers are nice and new, they have great visibility. If not, come right in and we can swap those out for you, no charge for labor. And we also need to make sure your four-wheel drive is equipped and ready to go. So go into a safe area where you can test it, make sure that it smoothly goes into gear. If not, then definitely give us a call to make an appointment. Finally, keep your fuel level usually at above half is what we say, just that way to keep, if you do get in an accident, we want to make sure that you're able to have your heat on for that time, or if it does get too low, your fuel lines could freeze and possibly break. So just to prevent any of those incidences. So it looks like that's all we really have for winter maintenance. Just testing your battery, checking your coolant, making sure everything is ready to go. A lot of this we can do with our mobile service, so that would be another option to reach out to us for.